On top inside Edo today, Edo State Chapter for All Progressive Congress don remove State Secretary of the party, Lawrence Okah, as dem pass vote of confidence on top the leadership of the state chairman, Ojezua. All Progressive Congress local government area party chairman for Edo State don pass vote of confidence on top the state party chairman, Ojezua, sake of saying a man wey get better style of leadership. And on top this one, they still carry ogbonge stamp gidigba put for Governor Godwin Obaseki for second term. APC State Auditor Timothy Osadolo Iyan ogbonge informate give tori pipo unto wetin shele for All Progressive Congress State Secretary House, Nana Lawrence Okah, unto say many ununu and mago be shele for there, sake of say dem wan comot APC State Party Chairman Ojezua for position. E come explain say dis kind matter no fit shele sake of say the pattern and style wey they wan take do am, e no follow constitution of the party.
They said, I asked them, what do you want me to do? They said, this is a document that you signed. I flipped it over and I read that they were said vote of no confidence on the state party chairman. And I was like, okay. So when I got to the color of my name, though my name was badly spelled, I didn't want to raise any objection because first, that was not the spelling of my name properly. But I needed to play ball, so I just took biro and scribbled something for them. In their desperation, I would have, particularly the secretary, I would have thought he would compare the signature on the paper I gave to him with the one the committee, which I was secretary in, used to invite him, which I signed. But he couldn't do all of that. And the only thing they were all saying is that we'll crumble this government, we'll crumble this party. I was like, wow, what is happening here? So since myself and my colleague that were commended to the location were in separate rooms, I took my phone and sent a message so that she should be careful and play along. I want to thank the state government and kind-hearted individuals that put us in a location for our security before we were able to come here and tell the world what has been happening to us. Only for us to be hearing that the signatures that they were doing in that kangaroo parlor, that they have used it to remove the state chairman. It's laughable because the persons I saw in that room were like 6. Obviously, the way they got us, they might have generated signatures to that effect. And at any rate, the title was the State Working Committee. The State Working Committee doesn't have the powers to remove the state chairman. So it was an exercise in futility, but it exposed the level of desperation that humans can go in fighting or in pursuing their political aspirations.
Now this kind of matter now can make Edo Executive Committee come pass their vote of no confidence on top State Secretary for All Progressive Congress, Lawrence Okah, as them talk am say they don't suspend them and comot am for the office. And this one they can't move wetin they call vote of confidence. Then I said they believe in this one gidigba. On top Ojezua may continue as state party chairman for APC for Edo State.
In pursuit of Article 17, Section 5 of APC Constitution of 2014, as amended with the undersigned member of Edo State Executive Committee, do hereby today, 12th day of November 2019, pass a vote of no confidence on the State Secretary, Mr. Lawrence Okah, and hereby suspended and removed from office. Then also, we, the undersigned member of the Edo State Executive Committee, do hereby today, 12th day of November 2019, pass a vote of implicit confidence on the state chairman of the party, Ojezua, Esquire. So all the executive member and the local government party chairman, we are all together. We have signed the paper, the documents, and with this, we are moving forward. We are taking Edo State to the next level.
On top of all this talk, All Progressive Congress Party Chairman for Edo State constantly passed votes of no confidence for APC National Party Chairman Adams Oshomole. Sake of say them not happy with the way we take they rule the party for Edo State. On top of the group where they operate for the state that na Edo People's Movement, EPM, As them talk, say this group they scatter the work where Edo State we can see Governor Godwin Obaseki way they do for the state.
We are here today to pass a vote of no confidence of our national party chairman by perpetrating a group called APM, disturbing the aims and objective of the APC in Edo State. And we are here to resist it, and we will resist it. Any action in our capacity, we will use it to make sure that EPM will not stand in Edo State. We are equally saying that our amiable governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is a good man and he has done well, and we are taking it to the next level to continue from where he stopped. So second tenure, we give it to him and we wish him second tenure is guaranteed.
We are adding our voice to that of our colleague to say that we have observed with dismay the attitude of our national chairman, one who is supposed to be a father to this party. We have observed that he is actually fronting a group known as EPN to bring about the disintegration of this party in Edo State. And collectively, we are saying no to it. And we are also saying through this medium that we stand by the vote of no confidence that has been passed on him. He cannot continue to rubbish the state, cannot continue to paint Edo State in bad light before international communities and well-meaning Nigerians. Therefore, we are calling on him to desist from causing this party to disintegrate. And we are also saying, in essence, that our full support is to Mr. Godwin Obaseki, because the man is doing well.
APC chairman for Eastern Central Local Government Area and secretary for Edo State's APC Chairman Forum, Honorable Mike Anakaso. It talks say them as chairman then pass vote of no confidence on top national chairman of All Progressive Congress, Comrades Adam Mushomole, on top the kind matter where they play for the party for Edo State.
With the LGA chairman in Edo State of our great party, All Progressive Congress, because of what is happening in Edo State, and we have discovered to our greatest chagrin that the national chairman of our great party, our own son, Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole, is seen as being behind the crisis in Edo State. Hence, we the chairman have therefore resolved to pass a vote of no confidence on him this day, the 12th day of November 2019. Now the reason being that we wouldn't want what transpired in Zamfara and some other states to happen here, because our own amiable governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is doing well, and we are jealous about it. We are guiding him jealously, and here we are supporting him for the second term.
Now here we see the Ogbonga informate reach on top inside Edo today. As All Progressive Party chairman for the local government wey dey Edo State, don pass better vote of confidence for Ojezua, say may he continue to be the state party chairman, and say may Governor Godwin Obaseki may Tanda Gidigba put for Edo State for second term. Make una no come forget say this clear informate so na T Live Media na in dey knack am dey give una on top inside Edo today. And to continue to get this ogbonge and clear informate, una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now visit follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. As our website dey gidigba pod for www.tlivemedia.com.